birthday. Sana this year, puno ng happiness and matupad lahat ng dreams mo.
Kain ka na, Mami.
You deserve the best. Love you, Gino Soto, Papa Alex. I love you.
Okay, picture tayo, Aubrey.
Happy 13th birthday, Alex. I wish you a year of growth, charity, and meaningful moments. You truly deserve the best. Love, your dearest Carla.
Okay, thank you so much, Carla.
Happy birthday, Alex. I wish you a happy and successful birthday, and I hope you get all your wishes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alex. I wish God guides you to the right path, and He gives you His blessing always. And happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Alex. Wishing you a life full of blessings, good health, and happiness. God bless you always. Happy birthday, Alex. I wish you take care of your life. Wish you have this best day ever. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Alex. May your teenage years be filled with love, integrity, and joy. Continue to be a bubbly and a friendly girl that never stops smiling. May God guide you and your family. Thank you for being one of my close friends, even if distance blocks our friendship. Happy 13th birthday, Alex.
Speak a prayer. Let's go.
Sana paglaki mo, magkaanak ka. Sana mayaman yung asawa mo. Sana maging best friend kita sa life. Sana maging friend tayo.
Happy birthday, Alex. My wish for you is for you to have a great future ahead of you in good health. I wish God may help you through your struggles now and in the future. God bless you and happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday, Alex.
Thank you so much,
My
Mami.
wish for you is to have a great birthday, to cherish all the time you can spend with your family and friends, and never forget about God's love for you and His command to not rage hate people.
I wish you a very good day and I wish sana maganda yung pagkakadaanan ng buhay mo. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Pete.
Thank you, Pete.
Happy birthday, Alex! So happy to your birthday. My wish for you
I was
is
about to speak the
Ice cream.
whole Bible.
reach all of your accomplishments, your dreams, aspirations, you know, all of your goals. But I would also like to ask one thing. Kailan nag-con natin? Yan lang.
Okay, thank
Then I heard, yes kami, promo.
Happy birthday, Alex. My wish for you is that you may continue to listen to our smile. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Alex. My wish for you is I hope you make the good choices in life, and once you do that, you'll become successful and you'll live happily until the very end. Thank you.
Wow!
You have to get a dog.
Oh!
Happy birthday, Alex. I wish you the best birthday ever, and I hope you have lots of fun and more birthdays to come. Always remember Jesus and your family loves you, and Mac, happy birthday. Okay, nasa na mga